welcome back to the channel. Today we have a little puppy day, but it's nothing to do with day today. And by the way, go and check out my dog fidget spinner video. That was funny. And today we'll be making some Harry Potter ones. And some of them are Harry Potter inspired ones.
That's right, because we just saw a cat, and the dog has just saw a cat, and the dog is very excited that he's now seen a cat. The dog now needs to... careful, Dave. So if you want to do make your own Harry Potter wands, you can download a picture from Reddit. We'll put the link in the description below for this one.
Don't forget to put it in
the
description.
Sorry boss, I won't. She's so cute.
Tell me one day, guys. We tried making Fleur's wands, and this is it, the Fleur's one. Very good. I like how my mum did that little teacup thing.
I did a Bellatrix Lestrange one. This one is still drying. So if you want to find out how to make these wands, here you go.
Yay!
Do you know how to make paper mache, Eliza?
No.
What you do is you get an old tub that you don't really want anymore. You pour in some PVA glue. We got ours from Penland. Okay. Mix it with a little bit of water to make it a bit runnier, and then rip lots of paper up. You can use newspaper, you can use white paper.
We use newspaper.
We use newspaper for ours.
Ordered some 30cm dowling rods from Amazon. For the Death Eater's wand, we used a Halloween skull. We made a hole in the bottom and used hot glue to secure it tight. Now it looks like a skull lollipop stick, so cute and fun.
Each one of our wands has a special magical power. That's your wand! That's the Harry Potter spell for making something come to you.
Accio wand! That's crazy, guys!
So what we did was add a bit of magic to all of our wands by popping a little magnet right at the bottom, right there.
Carefully attach a dab of hot glue to the stick and then attach a magnet. Then use the paper mache to build and shape the wand and leave to dry overnight. You might need to do this step over a little while. And leave to dry overnight. Hot glue to make patterns on the wand, but please be careful, the hot glue is hot. To make the end of Fleur's wand, Mum gradually built up the hot glue and twirled it as it cooled to the shape. It was very satisfying to watch. This is how we made the handle of Fleur's wand. Make sure you leave it to dry. You don't want to burn your fingers. And leave to dry. Time to paint. We used acrylic paint and built up the colours to highlight the patterns on the wand. It looks so beautiful. We also used gems to add extra magic. Also, you can wrap wire around it like my mum did. It looks so beautiful. Check out this one. could make replicas or create your own. Remember, the wand chooses its owner. It could be you, or you, or you, right over there, in the corner, standing there so funnily. And as you can see, this is not Harry Potter wand. Olivander's shop full of wands has very unique wands. As you can see, this wand.
And this one is Hermione's.
This one is Fleur's wand, and we got inspired to create her wand. So using this one for the powers.
Okay, you like that one? I thought you didn't like that one.
I did.
Okay, this one I like. I like them all though.
I like this one too. And this one too. I also like this one because it reminds me of Mummy Bennett's.
I haven't quite finished the Death Eater one yet.
Disappear Mum. Why? Oh no, my poor Mummy. Where did she go? Bring back Mum. Oh my God.
Why do you keep making me disappear? I'm going to send you to your room.
No.
So, that's the end of our video today, guys. I better bring her back, hadn't I? Tling, tling, tling.
How dare you?
We're going to have a duel after this. Check out our Harry Potter spell game.
Yeah.
And if you haven't got a place to put your tea, check out our Harry Potter coaster.
Yes. Oh my God, that was so good.
And so easy.
So guys, what do you think of the video? I think that's pretty good.
I think it was pretty good. I hope you guys think so.
And tell you some really...
Don't just like, subscribe.
Yeah,
Come on, talk to
like.
us. Tell us what you think.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to us as well. Bye. Hit that like button in the face. Okay, you need to make me something. Remember, the wand chooses its owner. It's Olivander's shop after all. In theatres we say, break a leg.